Okay, so Doshi, thank you so much. Congrats. I'd like to find out more how to make money on TikTok. So basically, how I sell this week, right? This week is like 10,000 already, almost close to 10,000 sales on TikTok Shop, right? So how do I do it? Um, First thing first is 3 years ago I started and I create a lot of contents, right, meant to sell my own products, skincare and makeup, and also I do style coaching as well. And I started with that, right, just creating contents, and I think who I can help, right, and then I just keep creating contents, right. So you must be consistent when it comes to social media. Every day at least 3 videos I come up with, and then because you never know which videos are the one going viral. So then gradually my videos on my skincare going viral, and then my makeup going viral, and then now with all the products that I sell on TikTok Shop going viral. Okay, so the key thing, right, to becoming a TikTok creators program, right, you need to create lots of videos first with strategies, right? If you want to know more about how to create content strategies, you can DM me for more coaching services, which I do for right now for a lot of entrepreneurs who want to use TikTok, right, to generate leads and to increase revenue. Okay, so I create contents and I think about who I can help, okay, my audience, who I can help. And so I sell skincare. I make a lot of contents on TikTok, right, and also on Pinterest and LinkedIn as well. So to sell my corporate content, as in like my online courses. So I find that video marketing is really, really very useful. So if you know how to create contents like this, right, you will churn out money very, very easily. Yeah. So within 1 week, right, I sold about the hair straightener retailer was like, wow, you sold off my hair straightener within 2 days. I said, yeah, I did. So that's why I don't do much live. Okay, my live is maybe like half an hour in the morning or afternoon kind of thing. Because by at night, right, I can't talk so much anymore. Okay, and then I also do research on when the brands send me free products, right? I didn't buy the products; it's free because I'm one of the pioneers for TikTok's creators program. Okay, so when they send it for free, right? Send me all these items for free, right? I need to do research on how I can help the audience and what sort of problems that I can solve for them. Okay, so I do research on that. And then after that, I use my video. I create video with the hooks, the content, the captions correctly, and then the hashtags as well, and using the right trending sounds. But for commercial products, when you're promoting for their products, for the brands, right, you can't use any commercial, you can't use any sounds. So I rarely use sounds for commercial products, but yet it goes viral. So the key thing is you need to create good contents, right? And then TikTok will choose you as one of their creators. Yeah, so if you want to know more, DM me for more information for my one-on-one coaching. See you soon in my next video. Bye.